Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can save or download pages in your Microsoft Loop workspace as a CSV on your device to open it, for example, on, I don't know, Excel or Google Sheets. So this is how it works, guys. Head over to your page inside your workspace in Microsoft Loop, and the download as a CSV feature works only for a specific type of item you have added to your page, like tables, Kanban boards, flowcharts, etc., etc. So let me go with a table, for example, or that task list here, Kanban board. That's a good example. So navigate to the given item, and if that feature is available, guys, you will see it here below the title when clicking into these three dots and by selecting download as CSV. And you will see then the CSV file downloaded to your download folder. In some cases, it may also be possible to do it for other type of items. In this case here, there you go. For example, for that table, I could download it as a CSV. There you go. Table has been successfully downloaded so that I may open it as a CSV on Microsoft Excel, for example, now. That's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.